Hello! In this video I will explain how I made this cat sculpture out of concrete. First of all, you need a base to support your concrete sculpture. I found this old metal flower stand, then divided into two pieces and drew my sketch of what my project will look like after it's done. So, with that in mind, I started building onto the metal with special art concrete mixture. Here is the recipe you can use for all your concrete art projects. 1:1 ratio cement and sand. Dish soap. White school glue. Make sure you sift your cement and sand before mixing. Refer to my other video for full explanation on how to prepare an art concrete. To extend my metal base, I used various scraps of metal wire and a drywall mesh I found from my previous projects. Apply small portions of concrete mixture, letting it to dry slightly in between applications. Waiting time depends on the surrounding climate. The hotter it is outside, the faster it will dry, of course. You can turn your sculpture upside down to let gravity to help you. So, keep adding layer upon layer of concrete till you have a solid structure. I used an old brush for my cat's whiskers. To prevent concrete from cracking, keep spraying dried out parts with water. Never apply mixture to completely dried out concrete. Spray it first, or for a better bondage, apply white wood glue with a brush first. You can use brush to smooth out the surface, just make sure you allow your concrete to dry out a little bit. Don't be afraid to experiment, as it will help you to find out what works best for your pace. It took me a very long time to finish this sculpture because I like to do multiple projects at the same time. Please see my other videos for more ideas. And here is the finished project. My cat looks like he spends most of his time at the gym. Well, that's how I see him. He is actually kind of cute. I played a little bit with his tail. I wanted to make it more interesting. Here is the stand for my flower pot. He is a hard-working cat. Maybe that's why he needed to look so buffed after all. Please subscribe and like my videos. Share it and enjoy.